Good morning, Kestrels. Let's going to do our maths lesson of today. Today is Monday and we are going to be marking first of all our work from last Friday when we were timing 3 digits number by 2 digit number. Okay, so get your pen and then get your book ready so you can mark it along with me. I said to some of you to have a look at some exercises that you have wrong. So what I will do is just, if I were you, work it out with me. Once that if you have had more than one wrong, once that you're confident, you've done the first one with me and then, oh, I see what I've done. So you can pause it and then try to work out the other ones that you had wrong, play it again, and then see when I'm marking it if you have it right this time. I am also, today, I'm also attaching a timetable square. So those ones that are still trying to learn the timetables, they're struggling a little bit, you can use it, okay? Because remember, yeah, we are working on our timetables, but what is more important at the minute for me is that you know how to do multiplication, okay? So, said that, we are going to start doing our work. Get your pens ready. Also, loads of you haven't uploaded your work, guys. So please make sure you upload your work every single day, all right? Loads of you have a Friday, a little bit of a lay back, and then didn't upload your maths, nor your English and geography. So if you didn't, have a look and try to upload it. Let's going to do our first exercise. It was 334, and you had to time it by 22. I'm going to do the line a little bit longer, and I'm going to do here the next one, 414, and you had to time it by 26. Okay, right, let's going to mark it together, let's do it. First one, I start timing my ones. So 2 times 4, 2 times 4 is 8, 2 times 3, 2 times 3 is 6. Well done. 2 times 3. 2 times 3 is 6. Now I'm going to my tens. What was important about this on my long multiplication is that because I'm going on my tens, I don't have anything else to do on my ones, have I? So I'm going to do a 0. And I'm going to start with my answers on my tens because I'm timing my tens. 2 times 4 is 8, well done. 2 times 3 is 6, 2 times 3 is 6. And now I have my two products of my 2 digits of my multiplier. Now I'm going to add them together to get my final answer. 8 at 0 is 8, 6 at 8 is 14, and I'm taking one there, or in my head, or on my finger. 6 at 6 is 12, at 1, and again I have another one. 6 at 1 is 7, 7,348. Let's going to go to my next one. I'm going to start with my 6, with my ones. And same, 6 times 4. 6 times 4 is 24, and I have 2. 6 times 1 is 6. A 2 is, well done, 8. 6 times 4, and again, 24. Now I'm going to my tens, so I have got nothing else to do on my ones, and I'm going to start to do my answer on my tens. 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times 1 is 2, 2 times 4 is 8. Now I have my two products of my 2 digits. I'm going to add them together to get my final answer. 4 at 0 is 4. 8 at 8 is, I know that 2x is 16. 4 at 2 is 6 at 1. 7. 8 at 2 is 10. My answer is 10,764. Okay, let's going to go for my next multiplications. If you still haven't marked them, just pause it. I cannot see you that you are still doing it, so just pause the video and play it again when you're ready. Right, let's going to go for my next one. You had to do 653 times 37. And you also had to do 27 times 456 times 27. Because multiplication is commutative, which it means it doesn't matter the order, because you will always get the same answer. I can have my 300 down there, my 3 digits down, or my 2 down, which is easier for me to just have my 2, okay? So, let's going to work it out together. 7 times 3. 7 times 3 is 21. I'm taking 2 with me. 7 times 5 is 35 and 2. Yeah. I'm having 3 with me. 7 times 6 is 42 and 3, 45. Now going to my tens, nothing else to do on my ones. 3 times 3 is 9, 3 times 5 is 15, I'm having 1. 3 times 6 is 18, and 1, 19. Miss Lopez has missed a little bit of space there. Hope you all see the 1. I'm going to add them together. 1, 16, 10, 11, 10, 14, and 2. So your answer should be 24,161. Okay? Let's going to go for this one again. 7 times table. 7 times 6. 7 times 6 is 42. I'm having 4 with me. 7 times 5 is 35. And 4, 39. Having 3. 7 times 4. 28, 29, 30, 31. And I'm going to my tens, which is 2 times something. I don't have anything else to do with my ones. And I'm going straight to my next column. 2 times 6 is 12. Having that 1. 2 times 5 is 10 at 1. 11. And having that 1 as well with me. 2 times 4 is 8 at 1 is 9. 2 products, let's add them together. 2, 11, 3, 12. Okay, so your answer should be 12,312. And let's go into the last one, guys. Again, if you haven't done it yet, just pause the video, play it again when you're ready, or go back. Let's do my last one. You have something equals 567 times 89. That's when it starts to get difficult for those children that don't know the timetable, which you should all know. So my advice, start to practice them a lot, because next unit is division, okay? So it's going to start to get more complicated in next week. My 9 timetables. 9 times 7 is 63, to have my 6 there. 9 times 6 is 54. At 6, 60, I'm having my 6 there. 9 times 5 is 45. At 6, 45, 51. It's going to go to my tens, so I haven't got anything else to do on my ones. 8 times 7, 8 times 7, 56. I'm having my 5 with me. 8 times 6, 48, 48 at 5, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53. And 8 times 5 is 40, 5. And now I'm going to add it together. 3, 6, 4, 10, 5. So your answer should be 50,463. Okay, right, let's going to go to today's lesson. When we are working on multiplication, timing 4 digits number by 2 digits number. Really easy, really simple. Okay, so what about if we are timing then 4 digits number by 2 digits number? Really simple. I'm going to show you now how to do it. Absolutely the same, just having an extra one. So, if you want, you can do this one with me. I'm going to start with my ones, like always. 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 5 is 15. 3 times 3 is 9. At 1 is 10. 2 times 2 is 4. Remember that I start on my tens because I have nothing else to do with my ones. I'm timing now my tens. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 5 is 10. And having 1 there. 2 times 3 is 6. At 1, 7. And it's done. Now I need to add it together. 6 at 0 is 6. 6 at 4 is 10. 5 at 4 is 9. At 1 is 10. 0 at 0, 0 at 1 is 1. And 7 at 1 is 8. Really easy, really simple. The same, just I mean one extra number. Right, let's going to do those 2 exercises. These 2 exercises, well, actually one. Because I've been at this one quite for a long time now. So let's going to do one together. I send you to do 2. We correct it together, and then I send you to do your work. Let's going to go for this one. It's going to have 4,362 times 35. Need to get a new pen soon. 5 times 2 is 10. I'm having 1. 5 times 6 is 30. And 1, 31. 5 times 3 is 15. At 3, 18. 5 times 4 is 20. At 1, 21. Now, go with my tens, nothing to do with my ones now. 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 6 is 18, having 1 there. 3 times 3 is 9. At 1, 10, I'm having another 1 there. 3 times 4 is 12. At 1 is 13. And I add it together. 0 and 0, 0. 1 and 6, 7. 8 and 8, 2 8 is 16. 1 and 1, 2, 2 and 3, 5. 1 and nothing, 1. 152,670. Okay, can you please do these other ones for me? We correct it together. Let's get ready. I want you to try. I'm going to start there. 4,756 times 32. And let's do 3,642 times 23. Okay, have a go at it. Pause the video, try by yourself, and once you're ready, play it again to correct it together. Okay, right. We were looking at 4 digits number times 2 digits number. Let's go into correct it. We start with my ones. 2 times 6 is 12. Having one there. 2 times 5 is 10. 1, 11. Having one there. 2 times 7 is 14. At 1, 15. 2 times 4 is 8. At 1, 9. I'm going now to my tens, nothing else to do on my ones, so I can put a 0 and start straight away on my tens column. 3 times 6, 18. 3 times 5, 15. At 1, 16. 3 times 7, 21. 22. 3 times 4, 12. At 2, 14. I add it together. 2, 9, 11, 12, and 5, and 1. 152,192. Let's going to do our last one. 3 times 2 is, 3 times 4 is 12, carry 1. 3 times 6, 18, and 1, 19. 3 times 3, 9. At 1, 10. Nothing else to do with my ones. I'm going to my tens. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times 6 is 12. Carrying 1. 2 times 3 is 6. And 1, 7. I add them together. 6, 8, 17, 3, 8. Your answer should be 83,760 and 86. Okay, that's it for today. Have a go at your exercises. If you're not sure, practice a little bit more or drop me a message and then I try to help you, okay? Tomorrow we mark it together. Adios!